What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to sell your wholesale deals, how to disposition your wholesale deals for top dollar and maximum profit. I'm going to be going over things such as how to build cash buyers, how to find cash buyers, and how to send out your deal to cash buyers so that way you can sell it. Also, a good percentage of my viewers are not subscribing to the channel. I'll pop the analytics up right now. So if that's you and you're watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please go down below, hit the red button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives, so I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be talking about how to sell your wholesale deals for maximum profit. We're going to be going over things such as cash buyers, how to find cash buyers, and how to build a cash buyers list. And then we're going to also be going over the different ways that you can market the deal in order to sell it. So first, let's talk about how to find cash buyers. There's multiple easy ways to do this. My number one favorite way to find cash buyers is going through real estate Facebook groups. A lot of different wholesalers post their deals in these real estate Facebook groups across all the markets across the country. And what you'll see is when they post that deal in the real estate Facebook group, a bunch of buyers will drop their email and their contact information below in the post in the comments. And what you can do is you can go through those comments and collect the contact information for all those buyers that were interested in all those deals, and go ahead and save them to your cash buyers list. You can also pay a virtual assistant to do this because it's a little bit tedious. So you can hire a virtual assistant somewhere like in the Philippines or Mexico or Egypt that for a few bucks an hour will go through Facebook and find these cash buyers that are dropping their contact information in the comment section of these deals and save them to your buyers list. That right there is one of the best ways to find cash buyers, and that's because these are active buyers, right? You're going to be going through recent posts that have happened in the last 6 months, the last 6 months of deals that have been sent out in these real estate Facebook groups, and you're going to be going through the comments of those posts. So that means that these buyers that you are finding have been active for at least 6 months, right? They've been recently active in the past 6 months. So that way you know these are active buyers that are actively looking for deals. So that's why it's one of my favorite ways to find cash buyers, because you're able to find active buyers that are pursuing wholesale deals. Another way to find cash buyers is using PropStream. There's a link down below in the description for a discount on PropStream and a 7-day free trial. But what you can do with PropStream is, let's say you lock up a wholesale deal in this neighborhood, okay? What you can do is you can look for cash transactions and flips that happened in the surrounding area, and you will be able to find the fix and flipper, the cash buyer that bought those deals, and then reach out to them. Sometimes you may need to reach out to the realtor that listed the deal after they flipped it, and reach out to that realtor and then try to find the cash buyer through them. But that's another great way to use PropStream. You can look for the flips and cash transactions nearby the property that you have under contract and find cash buyers that way. Again, there's a link in the description for a 7-day free trial of PropStream. Another good way to find cash buyers is networking with realtors. In pretty much any state across the country, you're able to pull a list online. You just Google the list of realtors that are licensed in your state. Now, once you pull that list of realtors that are licensed in your state, you can start cold calling the realtors or emailing them and asking them if they have a lot of connections with cash buyers that do fix and flips, connections with investors. And once you find those agents, those realtors that have a lot of connections with investors that do fix and flips that are cash buyers, you can save that realtor's contact information and start sending them all your deals because they have a ton of connections with different cash buyers and investors. So those are 3 great ways to build a cash buyers list, but now let's talk about the different ways to market your deal and sell it. Alright, first let's talk about my number one way to sell wholesale deals, and that is partnering with me and my team. Me and my team will help you sell your wholesale deals for maximum profit and top dollar. All you have to do is go ahead and submit the deals that you have at jacobblank.com/dispo. There will be a link in the description for this down below. All you have to do is submit the deals that you have at my website, and then me and my team will personally help you sell your deals for maximum profit. Now, the reason why it's beneficial to partner with me and my team is because we've been in the business for so many years and we've been building amazing relationships with cash buyers across the country and amazing relationships with different institutional buyers and hedge funds that will pay 100% of value. We have buyers that will pay 100% of value. They'll pay ARV, the after repair value, even if the property needs work. So if you partner with us, we can make you get way bigger deals. So that's why instead of building your own buyers and spending all that time building buyers, you can just focus on acquiring the deals and then partner with us and we'll help you sell them for maximum profit. And we don't take much of a cut of the profit at all. So that's my #1 favorite way to sell wholesale deals, and you can go to jacobblank.com/dispo and start submitting us your deals and we will reach out to you. Now that leads me to my next point, and that's building strong relationships. In order to sell these deals, you're going to want to build multiple different relationships. You're going to want to build relationships direct with cash buyers, direct with fix and flip investors. You're going to want to build relationships direct with buy and hold investors. Investors that buy and rent the properties. You're going to want to build connections with hedge funds and institutional buyers that are like Wall Street, right? They pay way more than everybody else. And you're going to want to build connections with realtors. Building connections with all these people will help you sell your wholesale deals. You can send your deals to all of them and boom, it will get them sold. So networking and building relationships with high-level people is so important. High-level businesses, high-level investors, high-level realtors, build connections, okay? And another great way is building connections with high-level wholesaling companies, right? I used to use a bunch of other big wholesaling companies to help us sell our deals. And sometimes I even still partner up with some of those big wholesale companies to help us move deals. And that's because I built those high-level connections. And so you can start building a connection with me and my team and my whole wholesaling operation if you start submitting your deals to us at jacobblank.com/dispo. So that's another great way to build connections with big wholesaling companies because they can help you out as well. But now that we've talked about my #1 favorite way to sell wholesale deals and how to build those relationships and why building those relationships are important, now let's talk about the other ways you can use to sell your deal for free. So another way to sell your deal is posting your deal on real estate Facebook groups in that market. What you'll do is you'll just put the property address, the asking price, the square footage, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how much work it needs, the estimated ARV, and the pictures link in a little post on Facebook and post that in all the real estate Facebook groups in your area and you will get your deal out to a bunch of cash buyers. So that being said, Facebook is a great way to promote your deal and market your deal to sell it. Another way is trying to sell your deal on Craigslist. A lot of real estate investors actually do look for properties that are for sale on Craigslist. So if you post your deal on Craigslist, I guarantee it, a lot of cash buyers will call you interested in the deal. So that's another good way to market your deal, posting it on Craigslist. And here are my 2 final ways to market the deal. With these 2, you are going to have built a cash buyers list already. And that's because you're actually going to be sending to those cash buyers, directly sending the deal to those cash buyers. So in order to do these 2 strategies, you're going to need to already have a cash buyers list. These 2 are email blast and text blast. What you can do is you can get a service such as Active Campaign. Active Campaign is the email blast service that I use, and you can email blast out the deal to thousands of cash buyers. If you want a free trial on Active Campaign, there's a link in the description below. That is the email blast service that I use. The next way to send out the deal to the cash buyers is text blast. You can do an SMS blast to send the deal out to thousands of cash buyers. Again, you are going to need a cash buyers list already in order to send to them, in order to do these 2, but these are another 2 great ways to market the deal to sell it. That being said, make sure you keep me and my team in mind to help you sell your deals. All you have to do is submit them at jacobblank.com/dispo, and me or my team will give you a call and start helping you out. There's a link down below for that as well. But other than that, I hope this video was helpful in order to teach you how to build a cash buyers list and how to market your wholesale deals to get them sold. So if you liked the video, please make sure to go down below, hit the like button. Also make sure to go down below, hit the red button and subscribe to the channel because it helps me reach more people and impact more lives. So I'd really appreciate it if you go subscribe. But other than that, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.